wiki.easybid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Easybid presents the 8 best tabletop ironing boards. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8. If you like more surface area to work on, then the leifheit airboard will give you lots of operating space. It uses thermo-reflect technology, which captures heat instead of letting it escape, giving you faster results, though it isn't the most attractive choice. It is lightweight at just over 1 pound, and the end is shaped to fit shoulders. It comes with soft, non-slip feet. At number 7, the Storage Maniac STM100 has a sturdy frame with non-skid leg caps to prevent it from slipping and sliding as you work. The porous pad is great for absorbing steam, and the cover comes off easily for washing. It's small enough to be a reasonable pick for travelers. It's equipped with cotton cushioning under the pad and is a rust-resistant construction, but it is an awkward shape for slender items. Coming in at number 6 on our list. If you want something that will last, then get the Whitmore 6152. Made from steel mesh, there's little chance it'll warp or crack in the near future. It's equipped with a retractable hook, so you can just hang it up when you're done. It's ideal for touch-ups and comes in a striped or solid pattern. The mat is durable and scorch-resistant. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybid.com. Go there now and search for tabletop ironing boards, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, constructed of steel, the Household 131210 is certainly sturdy enough to last for years. It's not prone to wobbling either, so you can use a heavier iron. Plus it's a cinch to set up and take down, giving you one less reason to dread doing your chores. It comes with an over-the-door hook for easy storage and a retractable iron rest. It's comfortable to use on the floor. Halfway up our list at number 4. No busy home with minimal space to spare should be without the LayU GM Mini. It has legs made of high tensile strength PVC that you'll feel confident pressing down on, and an anti-slip soft silicone sleeve to prevent the cover from sliding around. It's great for ironing placemats and sports a fun puppy dog print. It shouldn't scratch counters. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Honey Can Do BRD01435 includes a stable iron rest, so you don't have to worry about scorching if you need to take a break. It opens and collapses easily, eliminating any wrestling with it when it's time to put it away. All in all, it's a useful, simple option. It's ideal for a sewing and craft space and slides under a low bed when folded. It's very sturdy on flat surfaces. At number 2, if the floral print on the cover of the Sunbeam IBO 1512 doesn't make you smile, then the fact that your garments come off it looking flawless will. This compact model shouldn't bend if you apply a lot of pressure, and the pad won't get soft under high heat. This is a favorite of quilters and is affordably priced. It works with the legs extended or folded. And coming in at number 1 on our list, you'll always step out looking fresh after using the double-sided Jacobsen product's chest and sleeve, which is especially good for the areas of shirts in its name. One side features a broad standard shape and the other has a long, slender surface. It's a robust aluminum and wood build that doubles as a pinboard for tailoring. It handles necklines beautifully. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybid.com. Go there now and search for tabletop ironing boards, or simply click beneath this video.